refrigerator. What are the components in the basic components in the refrigerator? What are the basic components of the refrigerator? Tell me one by one. What are the basic components of the refrigerator? Compressor, condenser, evaporator, expansion device, thermostat, relay, overload, timer, dosage, light lamp, blower fan, heater, bimetal, door bulb, door bulb, door switch, bimetal. அதோட சேர்த்து பீடிங் எல்லாம் இருக்கு. அதாவது லீக் பண்ணாம. இது சரியா? Therefore there are two line. One is the suction, other one is the suction pipe and the discharge pipe. Suction pipe is bigger than the discharge pipe diameter. Suction pipe diameter is bigger than the discharge pipe diameter. It means suction pipe big, discharge pipe small. What small? Diameter of the suction pipe big, diameter of the discharge pipe small. Okay. Now I am asking this. One pipe, this suction pipe goes to where? Evaporator. Discharge line goes to where? Condenser. Within the suction pipe and the discharge pipe, capillary tube and the filter. Right. If you want to do the further work, we have to fix the sucking valve. Sucking valve for the suction line and the. Now what I am going to do is, we have to cut here by using the tube cutter and do the small welding, oxyacetylene welding and fixing sucking valve. Here also cutting by using the capillary tube, using the tube cutter and cutting here and doing the swaging process, swaging by using the swaging tool, swaging process. Swaging process. There, after that we have to do the small welding, oxyacetylene welding and fix the what? Sagging. What is the purpose I am fixing the sagging valve? I am going to do the vacuuming. If I want to do the vacuuming or the sagging refrigerant, it needs a sagging valve. It needs a sagging valve. Therefore, first of all, we have to fix it. Therefore, now, but I am asking now, when you consider about this discharge line, there is the tray here. There is a tray here. Then there is a drain pipe. Drain pipe water came out by drop lights to this tray. What is the purpose they put this here? What is the purpose? They are doing like this. What is the purpose? You tell me in English. What is the purpose they are putting this tray and putting this condenser? Tell me, what is the purpose? Water? Yeah, dry the water. It means evaporate the water. Therefore, this is a condensation pipe. It has a heat. There is an output of the heat. As the result of the output of the heat, the water will be evaporate. Then from the top flow to the, or this one, if there is a big amount of the water drops or drain, it will be condensate. It will be by using the condenser heat. Condenser heat. When we consider the evaporator, that is cold. When we consider the condenser, that is the heat. Then water will be evaporate. Therefore, you know the fault identification also. That day we discussed some of the fault identification. What are the fault identification? Sometimes there is if the fridge is not working. Sometimes there is no current. Compressor is not working. There is a voltage drop. Thermostat is out of order. Timer is out of order. Overload relay is damaged or cold or some electrical short circuit. There are a lot of things. Now we know the fault identification. First of all, we should have to have checked, there is the current. Current is okay. There is a requirement of the voltage. It's also okay. If there is if there is a current, but supply is not there, then what you have to do is you have to check the plug. And you have to check the fuse. Step by step you have to identify the fault. Sometimes here there is the cool. Upper part there is the cool. Lower part there is no cool. Then some problem. Then you have to check the heater. If there is a heater is out, all the ice are inside the duct. As a result of that there is a blood. Then we have to check the heater. When you take the heater out, remove the heater and see the multimeter conductivity. If it is working, it's okay, working order. If it is not working, surely heater is damaged. You have to replace the heater. Again, you have to check the bimeter and the timer. What is the function of the timer? The function of the timer is it is controlling the compressor working hours. Maybe 8 hours or 6 hours or 13 hours or 10 hours. That is decided. But the timer, inside the timer, it's like the watch spring. Okay. Now you know the fridge, and we should have to be identified what is the refrigerant they are using this. Now we check that the compressor. What is the refrigerant? This one, R134A. R134A refrigerant. But wiring diagram is here. But we don't want the wiring diagram because you are a reference NBQ levels for student. Therefore, you don't want this. First of all, you should have to be identified the compressor. 3 points. Which one is the command? Which one is the starting? Which one is the running? And after that, you have to put the overload to the command line. And all the wiring system now. Maybe the fridge, maybe the AC or the everything Therefore, first of all, step by step, we should have to be identified what is happening. Therefore, now what we are going to do is, we are going to fix the sucking valve and do some further repairing or further servicing or further studying. Okay? Right, okay.